Namaste tech enthusiast, Suraj here on the Be10x channel. Last time we met Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. This AI rockstar can write code, develop websites, and even build softwares. But is Devin just a fancy gimmick, or are there real benefits for coders like you? Today we will dive into the biggest advantages of having Devin on your coding team. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive workshop on AI tools. The link is in the description below. We will talk more about it later in the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Imagine this. You are swamped with coding tasks. Deadlines are looming and there just aren't enough hours in the day. Enter Devin, your superhero sidekick. One of Devin's biggest strengths is its speed. Repetitive tasks that takes you hours can be automated by Devin, freeing up your valuable time. Think about all the time you spent writing boilerplate code or fixing minor bugs. Devin can handle those in a flash, allowing you to focus on more exciting or creative aspects of coding, like designing new features or solving complex problems. More time for innovation, less time on repetitive tasks. That's the Devin advantage. Bugs Sailor. Devin improves code quality. Coders know the struggle. Debugging can be real-time suck. Here's where Devin shines again. With its advanced AI capabilities, Devin can analyze your code and identify bugs and errors with impressive accuracy. Imagine having a tireless bug hunting partner who works 24/7, constantly scanning your code for potential issues. Devin can help you write cleaner, more efficient code, reducing the risk of bugs and ensuring your software runs smoothly. The world of coding is constantly evolving. With new technologies and frameworks emerging all the time, keeping up with this ever-changing landscape can be a challenge. But Devin is here to help. This AI rockstar is continuous learner, constantly interested in new information and adapting to latest coding trends. Think of it this way. Devin acts like your personal coding guru, staying on top of the latest advancements so you don't have to. This allows you to leverage cutting-edge technologies in your projects without spending hours learning them from scratch. Let's be clear, Devin isn't here to replace you. It's here to work with you as a part of a powerful coding team. Imagine a future where humans and AI collaborate seamlessly. Devin handles the repetitive tasks and bug hunting, freeing you to focus on big picture like design, innovation, and strategic problem solving. This human-AI partnership has the potential to create incredible software solutions that would be impossible for either humans or AI to achieve alone. The world of AI is moving fast, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Don't let Devin become your competition. Learn how to work with it. Here at Be10x, we offer an exclusive AI tools workshop designed especially for working professionals like you. In this workshop, you will learn about latest AI tools, discover practical applications for your field, and gain skills to confidently integrate AI into your workflow. Don't get left behind in the AI revolution. Secure your future and become an AI pro. Click the link in the description below to join our exclusive Be10x AI tools workshop today. The arrival of Devin marks a significant step in AI development, and the future looks bright for coders who embrace this technology. The key to success lies in collaboration. By working together, humans and AI can achieve incredible things. Imagine a future where software development is faster and leads to even more groundbreaking innovations. So are you excited to work with Devin, the first AI software engineer? What coding task would you delegate to your new AI teammate? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's not forget the fun part. With Devin on your team, you might finally have some time to attend those coding meetups you have been eyeing, or maybe even catch up on some sleep. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. And most importantly, check out the link in the description below to join our AI Tools workshop today. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.